Corona politics in West Bengal continues to play out. The BJP MPs from the state are now all set to stage a dharna at the Union Minister Babul Supriyo's Delhi residence at 11 a.m. today. The MPs will raise alleged mismanagement of COVID-19 crisis issue. In fact, this just a day after Union Minister Debashri Chaudhary alleged that the opposition leaders were confined to their homes in the state while Trinamool Congress TMC leaders were allowed to move about. She claimed that the state government was preventing opposition leaders to present the correct picture of what's happening in the state. From the TMC, it was Rajya Sabha MP Derek O'Brien leading the charge. Derek hit out at the centre, alleging that the purpose of sending the central teams to the state of West Bengal was only to spread political virus and nothing else. He claimed that the central team was visiting his district or those districts in West Bengal which were not even declared as hotspots.
कैसे तानाशाही के नाते कैसे विरोधियों के ऊपर दबाव डाल सकते, कैसे विरोधियों के घर के अंदर किया जाएगा। लगातार साल भर 2018 से वो खून खराबा और आक्रमण वगैरह सब कुछ कर चुके हैं। इस कोरोना के मौका में, इस माहौल में इनका कोशिश है, जो सांसद है, जनप्रतिनिधि है, इनको घर में दबाव, उसके ऊपर दबाव डाल के इसके घर में बंद करने का।
We have Manogya joining us live from Kolkata. Manogya, please do bring us details of this protest that opposition leaders of the BJP there are planning to carry out, and they accuse that TMC leaders are allowed to move about while they have been confined in their homes. What is the real fact? Derek O'Brien saying that many of these areas that were visited by central teams were not even hotspots.
Well, these are array of questions and I'd like to answer one by one. The first of all, that yes, there have been cases of the member of parliaments of BJP who are claiming to be under house arrest on the allegations that they have flouted the social distancing norms, and that's the reason why they have been asked to stay indoors with adequate police protection given out of their house for their safety. That's what the state government has been claiming. Now, on the other hand, what you see the political scenario changing every passing day, especially with the interministerial team that has come to Kolkata and has been addressing, there has been a letter war not just between the team versus the state government, but also difference of opinion within the state government itself on the release of the death toll that has happened just last week. Of course, the political scenario is expected to change and get a little more murkier with every day, understanding that the TMC-BJP fight will now be seeing a protest by the BJP MPs today and several leaders across the state in their homes in an isolated format just after the Prime Minister closes his address of Mann Ki Baat today. This, interestingly, will also be taking few more turns with TMC hitting back at BJP on claiming all this as political stunt.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.